Good morning, everyone. I'm just showing you our 4-tier one, which I couldn't show you last night. But one thing I thought of today, I'll leave a link of where to get these little plastic containers that we use to put in here. They're on Amazon. And also, I had someone reach out to me overnight and say this was the perfect size for the little mini 3D articulated figures, animals. All right, so say you're at your craft show or in your store display and you want to pack up and move everything out. So these were developed again to push out from the bottom. So what we're going to do, I'm going to show you an easy way to pack these up and leave them full for the next time. Should have taken some of these out ahead of time. Sorry about that. But the smart thing to do would be to save your box that these little containers come in. It's the perfect size to fit 24 of them. So you can use the plastic bag to wrap around them, or you can just conveniently stack all these inside the box. It's 3 across. So leave them full because they stack on top of each other, so they're going to hold all the pieces where they go. I have a little too much in that one, so I want to be able to shut the box. So you get 3 across, 4 high. We'll put that on top because our lid is going to keep everything where it needs to go. Easy peasy breakdown of your craft display. So don't throw out the box. Save the box. And everything will fit neatly in there. So notice, again, I'm pushing up from the bottom to pop them out. We left a finger size space in there to do just that. Voila, everything is back in the box. Your cardboard is going to hold everything in place. You could get just a rubber band or some packing tape. Those little, straps that they have. Now I'm taking apart this one. You're going to push them out and hopefully not do what I just did. And when you're putting this together, you don't want to jam these in here. These are a little flexible, so you need to be really careful with those. But this is Pure Bond Maple. Now, because this is crooked, there we go. Well, shouldn't come apart that easy, but so you're just pushing it down and pulling up. So there you go. You got your breakdown. Get yourself a tote and put all this stuff in the tote. And there you go. So don't throw out the boxes. Save the boxes. Thank you. Bye-bye.